Next, I'll demonstrate the Bullion knot rose. Using 6 strands of color number 2. Bring needle up at center. Take down roughly below. Come up vertically. Wrap thread around needle. About 4 to 5 wraps is enough. Then push needle up. Use fingers or needle to arrange wraps. To prevent slipping when pulling, hold wrapped coils with fingers. Pull thread. Adjust coil direction. Take down here. Make another one on right. Take down beside. Come up vertically. If wrapping is difficult, support needle with fingers below. Hold needle up. Makes wrapping easier. Adjust coils with needle or fingers. First, make 2 coils in center as stamens. Then come up at 1/3 distance from stamens. Take down at same 1/3 point. Push needle forward. Come up next to previous entry. Then, wrap thread. Make this wrap slightly longer. To cover the flower center. After reaching desired length, hold coils with fingers. Pull thread. Don't pull too quickly. To prevent coils slipping, adjust coil direction with needle or fingers. Take it down. Make another round here. To cover entire flower center. Same process. Wrap same length as before. Pull thread. Adjust coil direction. Take it down. Creating first layer of petals. Again, come up at 1/3 point here. Then come up vertically opposite. Start wrapping. Make this wrap longer than previous. Each wrap should be longer than last. To cover inner layer. If too short, won't cover properly. Won't create rose shape then. Whipped rose creates dimensional effect. Perfect for flowers. Or garment embroidery. Adding decoration. With delicate effect. A great choice. Take it down. Let's look at the result.